Microsoft Teams will stop working on Internet Explorer 11 today. Microsoft 365 apps support will end August 2021. Microsoft Teams will stop working on Internet Explorer 11, E11, from today, November 30th. The company had made the announcement that Microsoft 365 apps and services will no longer support Internet Explorer 11 in August. Microsoft Teams web app is the first to stop functionality on the browser, in what seems to be an attempt to migrate users over to the newer Microsoft Edge. Edge will support Microsoft 365 apps, and the company says it will enable better, more innovative online experiences. Back in August, Microsoft announced that Microsoft 365 apps and services will stop supporting Internet Explorer 11 by August 2021. The first app to drop support for the browser is Microsoft Teams, the company's video conferencing app that has seen significant growth this year owing to the ongoing pandemic and work-from-home requirements. As per an August 17 blog post by the company, Teams will stop supporting E11 from November 30th. Microsoft Edge, however, will support Teams, and the browser has been designed to offer faster and more responsive web access to greater sets of features and everyday tool sets like Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, and more. Further, from March 9 next year, support for the older Microsoft Edge, known as Microsoft Edge Legacy, will end. First released about 2 years ago, Microsoft Edge has been rebuilt on the Chromium open source engine and now comes pre-installed with Windows 10 version 20H2 and beyond. Because of this new Edge browser, support for Microsoft Edge Legacy will end and it will not receive any security updates. Then, from August 2021, Microsoft 365 apps and services besides Teams will no longer support E11 and users will have to switch to Edge for continued support. Microsoft recommends the new Edge browser for those who are using Microsoft 365 apps and services on E11 or prefer Microsoft Edge Legacy browser. It has a range of support options to help users with the transition. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.